So I got some new plastic to add to the pile. Let's have a look. Yeah, I couldn't resist. I had to take advantage of what Ollie's had to offer. From what I've seen, this actually builds up into a fairly decent kit. As far as I could tell, the only problem with this kit is these numbers. 320 horsepower. Nah, this thing put down like 180 horsepower to the wheels. This car was a big flop. That is not why I got it though. I got it because, as we could see, this is the new Edge body style. And now that I have a 3D printer, my goal with this is to turn it into the Mustang Cobra R. So who knows how long that'll take, because I don't know how to 3D model. So it may never get done. But this next kit I also got from Ollie's. I don't know how they done it, but if you guys look, the price tags are still on these. They somehow worked out something with Monogram to have their price stickers under the cellophane wrappers. Maybe they just done it to spite the people who are going to flip these. Who knows? What I do know though is this actually looks to be a decent kit. I've gone through it all, and this looks to be so much better than that Fujimi kit we built a while ago. Speaking of which, I still have the wheels from that Fujimi kit. And oddly enough, these Monogram wheels and tires, well, these are the exact size and they fit over these wheels. I'm not sure what direction I'm going to be going with this kit yet, or if I'm going to use these wheels, but, well, it's always good to have options. You guys might hear this weird crackling noise. My cat is sitting on my shoulder and purring. Yeah, you hear that? Alright, sorry about that. I got him to move. But, Diablo future project. Yeah, we'll see how this pans out. I got plans for it. Now this box here, this is another eBay open box special that I thought I got a good deal on, but not really. The Bugatti EB110 by Revell, they make the newer SS style Bugatti. On the rare occasion it pops up on eBay, it pulls some serious money. So when I saw this advertised as Bugatti EB110 with no box for $15, I just hit that buy now button. Come to find out, it is basically a repop of the Airfix kit, just made by Revell. This still might be pretty rare because I had no idea it existed. This will be a legacy build though, guys. You know how much I like those, so stay tuned. Now this next one, it is a holy grail. So I'm not just going to throw it up on a table. I'm going to ease it into frame here real gently. Bam! After about 2 years of searching, I finally got one for a price I'm happy with. That being said, I won't tell the actual number, but it was less than 3 digits. I am not at all a NASCAR guy, but if anybody who's watching this channel for a while, you might know that I'm a Mopar guy, especially when it comes to a second gen Ram. Obviously this is a second-hand kit, but what I'm digging out here is probably going to shock some of you guys. This is a pristine 30-year-old decal sheet. The white is nice and crisp, there's no yellowing, discoloration, there's no scuff marks. Now the box is in kind of rough shape, but that's okay. I didn't buy this to look at the box. I fully intend to build this thing up, throw the box away, then put the kit up on display somewhere just to be covered in dust until I forget about it and die. Now this next kit, we got a little disclaimer I gotta go over here. We have all heard of alpha models, the amazing kits they produce. Every time they post a new kit or a teaser, jokingly, I tell them to send me one to build up on my channel. They must have thought it was real funny, because as a joke, well guys, they sent me one to build for my channel. I have never seen one of these in person before, so the first thing I noticed when I opened up this box was the body. This is pretty heavy. This is a chunk of resin. In this day and age, it is not at all uncommon for people to cut corners and do like a slush casting or a hollow casting. They didn't. This is about 3 pounds of solid resin. And it doesn't stop there. For being a notorious curbside kit with zero engine or chassis detail, there is a ton of parts in here, including photo etch and carbon fiber decals. Not to mention, we actually have cast clear parts instead of the vacuum form parts they used to do back in the day. Now, of course, we'll go through this more in detail when it comes time to actually build this thing. But we got to talk about the other elephant in the room here. As I was saying though, this all started as a joke that it got out of hand, so much so they actually sent me 2 kits to build up. All joking aside though guys, I am super ecstatic they went out on a limb and allowed me to do this for them. Now I am most excited about this Ferrari. As you guys can tell, I kind of like Ferraris. That whole bottom shelf there, that's all Ferraris. In the meantime though, I have paint and carbon fiber on order. The second I'm done with the drag pack, I'm going to jump right into these 2 kits.